up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. And yes, our little ocean backdrop is still up because it is May 1st and the start of Mermaid. Yeah, I kinda started early. And what better way to celebrate than to turn some mermaids into humans? Wait, what? Come on, y'all knew this was happening. You didn't think I was gonna buy these gorgeous face sculpts and not put them on made-to-move bodies. I already warned the dolls on the shelf that there might be some changes. Tiana got the memo. In our last mermaid video, we made the switch. Tiana was on this made-to-move body, but then we donated it to Indira, who we are now calling Kate. We also put Ariel on the AA soccer player and Barbie looks doll number 15 if you want her to be petite. And now the other sisters want legs as well, so let's do it. Here is Perla. We are going to match her with the blue top made-to-move Barbie body that I am borrowing from our made-to-move Cleo. We made this switch 6 years ago. I bought a newer one from Amazon the other day. However, the skin tone looks a little warmer, so we're gonna go with the older one. I placed the dolls in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water. Oops, there was a hole in the bag. Well, the head is now soft enough to be easily removed. Then place it on the made-to-move body. Let's take that ponytail down since her hair is already wet. And she does have a center part. Thank you. The hair is a little thin on top, which can be expected when the dolls come with their hair styled in a ponytail. But I think the skin match is pretty close. Not perfect, but livable. Her hair is pretty long, and we're gonna name her Andrea. But in order to add a new doll, someone has to leave the shelf. There's just not enough space. Sorry. But to be honest, I don't think we ever properly introduced her or gave her a thumbnail, so it's not that bad. 3 down, 4 to go. Up next is Mala. Oh, and her headband looks like coral. Did I say it was flowers in an earlier video? Sorry. I think she might match the purple top made-to-move Barbie that we are going to take from the Lunar New Year Barbie. I think she only ever made a short, so her career was short-lived. In person, it looks a little off, but it doesn't look too bad on camera. Our curvy Mikasa looks pretty good on the Mermaid Barbie. I think we renamed her Abby, but I'm not sure if we have any more spare BMR bodies. Right now on the shelf, we only have Mikasa and Jazz. We can't lose Jazz, we have a story to finish. Mikasa! Wait! I found a spare in the back room. It's still not perfect, but it's not bad either. So I guess it's gonna come down to personal choice and lighting. Right now, the purple top Barbie looks perfect, but in different lighting, I think that the BMR looks better. I went with the purple top. It looks better on camera. And we're gonna name her Piper. I am totally recycling names, but now I don't have to change the doll stand. See? Tamika is face app compatible. I love when the dolls don't show teeth. For me, it makes it a lot easier to use the app on the dolls. If you don't use Face app, then this probably isn't a concern for you. I think this doll might match the AA Rock Climber, which is the body we use for Tanya. Maybe we could try the tall Barbie Looks doll. The Rock Climber is a little warmer, so let's try that. I kind of feel terrible about this because Tanya has been with us for so long. But now she'll live on as a mermaid. Once again, it is not a perfect match, but I think it is pretty close. I'm going to keep her name Tanya because Denise has to have her sister. Oh wait, Barbie Looks doll 14 looks like a better match. It's a small change, but she is just about perfect. We now have a Barbie Looks mermaid. Tanya's back. which means someone else has to go. Sorry, OMG. We're gonna name her Jody. She's absolutely gorgeous, doesn't have a toothy grin, so we can easily use Face App to edit one back on. Toya logic. Karina is up next. She might be difficult to match. Destiny might be pretty close. She is a Barbie looks doll. Well, the old Destiny, but I recently fixed her hair with a lot of gel, so I would like to find another option. Her skin tone looks pretty close to the purple top, so I am going to reuse this one. Her nails are purple because we used this one a long time ago to make a custom Disney Descendants Mal. It's definitely off. This is the tall Barbie looks from Wave 1. Still not perfect, but it might be a little better. This skin tone is actually a pretty good match for Caspia. Okay, so this is Barbie Looks Doll 6. Let's try this BMR 1959 doll. It looks the same as the purple top to me, so I am going with Barbie Looks Doll number 6, and she will be a tall Barbie. Sorry, Valentina, but we're gonna need that uniform. For Karina, and we're gonna just leave her name the same. For Caspia, let's see if we can put her on a curvy. Although she does look like a good match for the new Made to Move tennis player. Here she is on a curvy Barbie. It's cute, but it is not a perfect match. And here's the tennis player, which is a very close match. To me, the tennis player looks similar to Barbie Looks Doll number 6, so she could probably be a good match for Karina as well if you want her on a classic body. And now we have 2 Mikasa mermaids. Sorry, Perla, but we're gonna need that doll stand. For Kitty, who I think might be a Hello Kitty fan. And now, all 7 mermaids have Made to Move bodies. 8 if you count Petite Ariel. They are not all perfect matches, but many of them are very close. These mermaids may have lost their tails, but no worries. They can always wear mermaid dresses. These are Koragu dresses I bought on Amazon, and I want to see if we can match the mermaids to their original colors. Here's Kate in gold, Andrea in red, Karina in blue. We can use this dress for Jody as well, but with that green eyeshadow, we can go for something a little more colorful. It's not a mermaid dress, but I think it's perfect because her tail had all those colors. And I don't have enough mermaid dresses. Let's put Kitty in this pastel pink, purple, and blue dress. Piper in hot pink and orange. They're kind of sunset colors. And Ariel in a purple and pink mermaid dress with a touch of green. And now the dolls are ready for their red carpet premiere for their new movie. Thank you for joining us while we put the mermaids on Made to Move bodies. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.